Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to import Chrome data to Microsoft Edge without installing Chrome, then either read to this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedures. Click on the three dots at the top right corner, scroll down and click on Settings. Go to the Profiles tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, click on Add Profile, then click on Add once again. This will open a new browser window. Click on Sign into Sync Data. After this, in this window, you can add your Gmail ID. For example, I'll add my own Gmail ID and then click on sign in, add the password and everything. It will automatically start calling in for bookmarks. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.